Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can log into your UHG employee account. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, make sure your PC is connected to a secure internet. Let's head towards our default web browser. For now, I'm using Google Chrome, and you can use it too. In the search bar, you can just type in UHG employee login. You can find various options in the search results, but for now, we want to click the second URL in the search result. Let's click here, and you will be taken to the login web page where you can input your username, password, and sign in by clicking this button. If you forgot your username or password, you can reset it by clicking here. Hopefully, this video helps you a lot, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.